Austin, when we first met 9 years ago, I thought you hated me and I basically had to force you to talk to me and be my friend. Getting to know you, I quickly realized how great of a person you are and found so many countless reasons to love you.
Rachel, you filled my life with happiness and love ever since we were assigned biology partners. I was so nervous to talk to you, but within a few days, you had me getting in trouble in class and getting me kicked out all the time. I never suspected 8 years ago that when you asked me to go to the movies with you, that would be our first date. You had your hand out the whole time for me to hold, and I never noticed. As soon as we got back into the car, you were saying how clueless I was. Well, I have the clues now, and your hand will never be empty.
You're kind of funny. You're just as stubborn as I am. You're driven and super talented. You're patient and loyal. You have a massive heart. I have never clicked with someone like I do with you. You understand me and accept me for all of who I am and make me feel comfortable in my own skin, which no one's ever done for me before. You make me laugh all the time. You show me what real love feels like.
Rachel, you're beautiful, funny, genuine, and intelligent. I've never been around someone who's made me feel so comfortable with being myself. You tear my barriers down and push me to be a better person. You make me strong and confident in myself. I want to spend the rest of my days making you happy and building a wonderful life together. I promise to protect and honor you, to listen and heed your advice, to make your priorities my priorities. I promise to appreciate waking up to you every single morning. I promise I'll love you for the rest of my life.
I promise to always be your cheerleader, support you, and have your back. I promise to always share my snacks with you. I promise to pretend like you're cooking even when you feed me raw pancakes. I promise to respect you, encourage you, and cherish you. I promise to take care of you when you're sick and make you laugh when you're upset. I promise to have your back when we're playing Halo and always tell you where the health packs are. And I promise to love you forever.
By the power vested in me by the state of Oregon, I now pronounce you man and wife. You can kiss the bride.